Chubao, National Vice President ka BJP BJP ya ka kamparti ha Meghalaya ula ktien halor ka jingkynnoh bamsap ya ka sarkar MDA1. Kani ka ktien uni noyalam ka BJP kala paw hadien ba ka BJP kala job tang arngut ki MLA ha ka election MLA arajar pulai bat yatri lang menta bat ka NPP ha ka sarkar MDA 2.0. Kuman syukudo bakilami sibon ki jingkynnoh bamsap na ka BJP ya ka NPP hakiran san yalap election MLA arajar pulai hadu bau menteri kampoi yang ka sarkar India wa Amit Shah ulong ba ka Meghalaya kala long ka jela ka banikong haka kam bamsap.
We did lots of homework, but what to do? People given mandate only to the repetition of the 2 MLA, and we are really happy. And it is this time we work hard, and though our composition of the governance is much more better, and we'll work hard and we'll do much more better than previous year.
Are you satisfied with BJP getting only one cabinet berth?
Yeah, what to do? We have to look after others of our partners, so we cannot take everything grab. So that we have to respect our own partners also.
Sir, the BJP had promised that all the corruption will be inquired. So now what's your stance? Sir?
Now we are not talking about corruption. Let us form the government. After that we will work, and you see how smoothly we are running the government. Say election time to any times they also make an allegation. Other political party also make allegations. We are a Hindu party, Hindu Taba, all these things. So it is a just phenomena.
So can we say that you're bhai again?
Pardon?
Can we say that you're bhai again?
So we have to run because people has given the mandate like that. We have to run the government. Corruption, there is no such proof. It is only just things are coming up. So we are also stick to that only. But when we work, we will come to know what is there.
So
and we promise that we will not do such kind of thing. We will run smoothly.
Yeah. Do you mean to say that there was no corruption at all in the MDA 1?
I can't say because that time we are not so much acquainted each other. It is only we form the government to take the numbers. But this time we are much more united. This is all kind of election promise, elections allegations. No, we cannot take into consideration. The election allegations are only for catch the votes.